guys, happy Sunday. Today we're doing a quick Goodwill haul video. The Goodwill, we have a few Goodwills by me, and the one we go to all the time is not open on Sundays, but every Saturday we go to breakfast and then we go and visit that Goodwill. And I've been finding a lot of cool stuff there, crafting stuff. I didn't get a lot this time around. I did get a bunch of containers, which if you're a paper crafter like I am, you know we like our containers. So I have lots. I'm looking around my room. I have a ton of box containers and I keep collecting them. I put stuff in them. Don't know what's in them. Couldn't tell you. Matter of fact, that's something I could probably do later on today. But today's Will's birthday, so I want to spend time with him today. We're going out to dinner tonight, so I probably won't be spending too much time up here. But I wanted to get this video out for you guys. Also, I have a couple hauls, Temu hauls coming up. I'm waiting for the orders to come in. And that's all I have. So let's get into it. First thing is, I want to show you this container. It has to get cleaned up. It's cushy. This needs to be glued back down, which is not that big a deal. It was there for 3 weeks, and I kept looking at it, and I was like, oh, it's so cute. It's hard, thick. It was only $5, and I kept passing it up. I love Paris-y, Eiffel Tower-y kind of things. Quite a few things in my craft room are from Paris. It's funny. I have Paris stuff, or France-influenced things, and palm trees everywhere. Like, makes no sense. But anyway, it is what it is. The handle's pretty cool. It's all. It does need to be wiped down. It's got this cool, what do you call this clasp? Heavy duty. The inside needs to be cleaned out. It's got like a velvety thing, like a crushed velvet. I could just clean that out real quick, but I'm hoping it wipes down good. I like the distressed color look, like this yellowy look, but I think a lot of it's age, so I think a lot of this will come off. But anyway, I got that. I kept seeing it there, and I was like, I'll get it. And I'm like, I would put it in my cart, and I'm like, nah, what am I gonna do with it? Then the next week I see it again, and I'm like, nah. And I thought for sure somebody would have snagged it, and nobody did. And I went this, I'm like, that's mine. It needs to come home to me. Okay, sticking with containers. I have this cool one. This one, I believe, a lot of these didn't have tags on it, so the girl gave it to me for 99 cents. So anyway, it's an octagon shape. Look at this. You guys see? It's got butterflies. Hard. It opens. It's got magnets here. You can kind of see them. Can you see the magnets? Magnetic closure. And look. Oh, I didn't know the lid opened. That's stinking cool. I didn't realize the lid opened. I just thought it was just I just thought it was like that. Yeah. So cool. Adorable. 99 cents she gave it to me for. Isn't that cute? It's pretty big, though. There's that one. Next container. This little box. It says Primitive Bob's Boxes. Well, I guess Bob makes boxes. Primitive American Heart. A hard hard cardboard. Just a regular old box. It's a little, what is it? Little 5 by 5 box. 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 5. Square box. Cute, right? I thought so. This one is pretty big. Let me zoom you out. This little guy, or not little guy, this is a 9 by 9. 9 by 9 by 9 by 9. Is he my 9 by 9 by 9? Yeah. Tall. Square, dumb. Alright. 9 by 9. Pretty big. There's this one. Oh, Bob's boxes. Bob makes these big boxes too. The Language of the Garden is this one. Does this one have a name on it? Where's my glasses? I guess this one's just called Primitive. So, they're in good condition. I'm assuming this is the color it's supposed to be. I'll wipe them all down. Just cause. Black on the inside. She gave me this one, I think was $1.99 because it's a bit bigger than the others. But, hey, why not? This one here is not from Bob's. Made something for decorative purpose. Made in India. It's metal. And I can't get it to close. And it wasn't quite closed there. I think it's misshapen a little bit. It closes there. Oh. No. You get it closed one side, the other side pops up. So it's misshapen, but it's cute. I don't know where the misshapingness is happening. Looks like it's been around the block a bit, but it's cute. I wish it would close. I'll have to play with it. I'll get Will to play with it, see if he can figure it out. Maybe it's a simple fix. 99 cents for that one. Alright, that was it for the boxes. And then Will saw this one for 99 cents, and he knows I've been trying. Guys, let me tell you what. I've been trying like crazy to organize my stamps. I have those big Tupperware bins. They're like shoebox bins. Filled, but they're all standing up. My stamps. Well, today's Will's birthday. I was looking to make him a birthday card, so I was like, let me get out all my birthday stamps. Well, they're everywhere. I know a lot of people use that Totally Tiffany system where you catalog everything, you stamp everything, you catalog it so you know where to go. You just go through your paper binder and you see, okay, all my birthday stuff's here. Okay, I want to do this, that, and that, and that. And it's here, 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 and here. This is where I go to get my stamps organized, right? Cool. Sarah and I had done that years ago when we first started crafting. Well, we ended up with so much more stuff. And we got away with it. I got away from it. And now everything's a mess. So I've been trying for the past couple nights, sitting downstairs with just one shoebox full. One box full. And I'm not even a quarter of the way through. It's such a daunting task to have to stamp every single one of my stamps. And then put numbers to it. And then figure, okay, birthday. But then this one also has flowers on it. So let me put this under nature. And this goes under birthday and sentiments. So I get inky. I don't like it. It's not enjoyable. I need to hire somebody to do it, but I can't afford it. But that's where I'm at. If anybody knows of a different way to organize my stamps, I would appreciate it. Because I don't know what I'm doing. And it's a mess. And I'm not using a lot of my stuff because I don't know I have it. So it would be great. I can't. It's going to take me a year to do. Just stamps. And then I have all my die cuts and my embossing folders. Too much. I have too much to. Anyway, he knows that I've been trying to organize stamps, and he thought this would be good for the little stamps. So this is like a little folder thingy. The only problem with this is the bottom of it's open, so if you put one in, it could fall through. So I don't know that I would use it for that. Maybe for paper scraps. But regardless, 99 cents. And of course, Taco heard Hunter bark. God knows what he barked at. Now she's barking. Alright, staying in with the organizing of the stamps. This is an old CD carrying case. Looks like it was originally $4.99 someplace. They sold it for $2.99, so I only got it for $2 off, but whatever. $3. It's cute, brand new. Does anybody even have CDs anymore? I thought this would be good for the little stamps. But this isn't enough for the little stamps. I don't know. Maybe some dies. I don't know. I'm organizing. Let's get some organizing stuff thing yesterday, so. Okay, and as you may or may not know, I'm trying to get into scrapbooking. I haven't quite done so yet, but I have been collecting the items to do scrapbooking. my friend Wanda told me these little pieces were to extend your scrapbook thing, so that's good to know. But they had this for $3.99 from K & Company. 12 by 12 scrapbook page protectors. So, I'm assuming they're plastic sheet protectors. Yeah, they are. So, I haven't quite gotten into it yet. I'm still trying to figure out my printer because I don't have a picture printer. I've been using my regular printer, but it takes up a lot of ink. So I went and got this big ink refill thingies that you just squirt them in the current cartridges you have, which seems to be working, but some of my pictures have lines in them now. It's a process. All right, last two items, guys, is wooden stamps. Christmassy, obviously. This one and this one I got for 99 cents because there was no tag on them. And this one is from Recollections, Christmas Noel. Honestly, I think I might have these already. If I do, I'll get them up to Sarah. This one's from nobody because the sticker's off it. I don't know where this is from. Little Santa Claus. They were each 99 cents. Let me look real quick. I do not see that I have either one of them, so that's good. So, sorry, Sarah, you're not getting them. So that's it, guys. That's my haul for today from Goodwill. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for my next video. Is hopefully going to be a Temu haul. I'm waiting for the, oh no, it's actually going to be this guy. We're going to try to make something with this guy. Somebody told me that these have to be embossed, and that these little holes, this was in the last video, these little holes are to make charms on the card, which we're going to try. I don't know. We're going to try this out. I'm going to make a video doing that. And then what else? Then the next one's going to be a Temu haul. Actually, I have a couple Temu orders coming, so there'll be a couple Temu hauls coming. And I'm still on my daunting task of getting my stamps organized. So I hate it. I absolutely hate doing it. It's not fun. Not enjoyable. Nada. Don't like it. I don't know what else to do. Let me know what you guys do other than that Totally Tiffany system, because that's just too much for me. My brain can't handle that. All right, guys. If you're not already subscribed, and if you did stay tuned to the end, thank you. Very brave of you. And I appreciate you watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Thanks, bye, guys. Thanks, guys. Bye.